Wolf Pups, it's me, Gemini Wolf Gamer. I'm getting licked by a husky. My child. Magic! Hey! Oh, thank you. Husky kisses. The best kisses. Alright, guys. So, hi. You can't help. My daughter wants to help me. I got a couple of things from Dollar Tree. What was it? 4 days ago? That I'm gonna try out. I got this crystal growing kit. Ow. And I got this weird slime thing. So we're gonna do the crystal thing first. Come here, Magic. We're gonna do this first because it's gonna Magic, not maggot. Oh my god. Anyway, we're gonna come here. Excuse me, Madam Husky Floof. Anyway, I'm gonna open these, and yeah. Okay, so I'm here with this crystal kit. I've never done one of these before, so should be interesting. All right, let's open this and see what we do. Oh well, there are 2 rocks. She's sitting over here staring at me. We have rocks. We have purple amethyst. Good girl. Purple amethyst geode crystal growing chemical. We have, I'm assuming, instructions and a stick. Okay, well, let's see how we do this. I'm gonna assume this is gonna take like over, oh wow, okay. So, fill the display pedestal. Display pedestal. Is that this? That's this, okay. Fill the display pedestal 3/4 full with cold water. Pour water into a container. Make note of the level of water in the container and pour it out. What? Please ask an adult to help you fill the container back up to the noted level. Well, I'm an adult, so. Shush! Smart ass. Okay. Open the bag of chemical crystal powder, or crystal chemical powder. Pour 3/4 into the container.
Your daughter wants water.
Excuse me, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had to water my beast. That sounded really weird. Okay. 3/4 of the bag into the container. Use blah, 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 blah. Mix till dissolved. Place the display pedestal on a flat surface with newspaper. When the chemical solution cools off, pour it into the display pedestal. Place the base rocks into the chemical solution. Sprinkle remaining crystal powder on top of the rocks. This will help it grow faster. You'll start to see small crystals form. Get down. Get down. Really, Magic? Did you really just pee? All right. You'll start to see small crystals form within 48 hours. So this is going to be a multiple day video. Okay, so, oh god, I'm dropping things. I'm going to assume this is the display pedestal. So, I'm going to go fill this 3/4 of the way with water.
Get down.
Get down.
Get down.
Hey! Get down. Are you yelling at the doggo? Look. All right. Excuse me, miss. So we're going to pour that in there. Hi, Magic. I have an assistant. I have an assistant. Okay. So I pour this in here and make a mark on this cup. Can you get down, please? I love you, but I don't need the assistant. So I'm going to mark this with this. Really? Move your feet and your head. Whoop. Little husky fluff has to be in everything. So I'm going to mark this. Oh God, this marker stinks. And fill it up to this line with hot water this time. Okay, so excuse me while I do this. Well, hello, pupper, little pupper. Wait, which one of these is hot and which one of these is cold? I always get confused. Okay, so I have my hot water. Now it says to pour 3/4 of the bag into
Magic.
the water. Magic!
Get
Get down!
down.
Hey! Good girl. Okay, so we open this and pour 3/4 of it into the water. And then we mix it until it dissolves. All right. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Mixing powder. Magic. Get down. Get down. Mixing powder. Okay. So that's mixed in. Now I'm going to
What else do you
put
want?
this over here.
Lee's is probably closed, Mom. It's 11 o'clock.
Yes, they are. All right. So, hi. I really don't need your help, little husky floof. Hi. So I'm gonna move this over here. Okay. Smart ass. I'm putting it over here on the thing where the ornaments are at. So I pour this in here. Magic, really? Hi. And then it says to take the rocks into the chemical solution, bloop and bloop, and put the rest of this on top. All right. So that's that. That's all I can do with it right now. And it says it'll start forming in 48 hours. So
On the bottom.
we'll check back on this in 48 hours. All right, so while that is forming crystals, I'm going to open this slime ball thing and check it out. Like I said, all these both came from Dollar Tree. So really? Come out of there. Bloop, bloop. Okay. So, this says, spits it out and slurps it up again and again. Okay. So I'm going to assume what I do is I open this slime. Okay, so we'll just open this slime and gloop it out. Oh God! Blech. This is disgusting. Ugh. Oh God. All right. Well, we're just gonna splooge this out onto the table. But it looks like snot. Ew. And then I guess we just kind of... Oh, that's disgusting. Why do I like it? Oh, it didn't work. Hold on. Ew. God. And then it just... Oh, uh-oh. Bloop. Oh, God. It looks like he's eating snot. You guys. I don't know why I like this so much. Bloop. Oh. Oh, God. All right, well, this is, oh, I dropped it. Oh, God, no, don't eat that. Nope. Had to get it before the puppy ate it. So, yeah, that's what this thing does. It just pukes up slime and then sucks it back in its mouth. I don't know why I like this so much. Probably because it's disgusting. And then it just... Uh-oh. I think I broke it. I think I broke the puke. Oh, God. Oh, that's so gross. They have more of these guys with different colored slimes. Uh-oh. I literally think I broke it. It's not wanting to, There it goes. And it just... sucks it back up. So yeah, that's my two little things from Dollar Tree. I really like this guy. We'll have to wait and see how the crystals turn out. But yeah, if you want a ball that pukes up slime like this, yeah. Not bad for $1. Kind of gross. Kind of awesome. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. We'll check back in on the crystals in 48 hours and see how it goes. Hey guys, so quick little update. The Grow Young crystals that I did in earlier in this clip, it was a couple days ago. They didn't turn out because Husky Butt knocked them off the stove. So I had to throw them out. If you guys want to see the finished product, just leave a comment or leave a like on this video, and I'll get another one. They were only $1 from Dollar Tree, so I'll get another one and redo it.